Hello guys, welcome to my channel. As you already know, I'm Mohammed, channel Mazimanan. Thanks to all my family, those who have subscribed to my channel. I'm really grateful for that. Those who watch my videos, if you have not subscribed yet, please subscribe to my channel and click on the notification bell, so if I post anything, you will be the first person to see it. Okay, today I'm taking a farm tour, and today I want to see, I'm going to learn from other farmers. As you can see, there are plenty of cattle here, and today I'm going to learn from other farmers. What I don't know or what I know, I'll teach them too. But these people have the experience. So I'm here with my guy Fula. Assalamu alaikum.
Alaikum salam.
Now your friend was saying
Adam.
Okay, now what's there?
I'm from Baba Smiler.
Okay, my Baba Smiler. Okay, in the one, me say more YouTube channel one. Me post video or I'll go for more person musician. Say Juma way. Say Juma way. Juma go for be brain buwe Juma no. What I say? But I'm person the much remi. Say ni Juma no swete. What I say? Until there as a farm tour, me bana wa chire mu kakra. Na viewers no so omo ehu. Say ni ekwo. What am I say? It's a question I maybe say like, who say we know. I dare am be gina hechi madwin. I say mba no doso.
I dare dem say mba no doso no. Mbema no so doso kanwa. Mba no sometimes be omuku egajo.
Okay.
Mutuma kwa ma ebi apran yam.
Okay.
Inti santi na chwe yemma mba mbema no doso sine mba no.
Okay.
Because mbema no doso sine mba no. Na chwe bia or su cross na to say yemma no bema baako. The bema omungu type baako.
Okay.
Nothing a bema no yemma bema no doso.
Nti o pese me fan say me pese me start mbwanya ni mba dodo san na mento
mba de u pese u starting no unyen mba no de utuma to by mba by 6 and 10.
Okay.
Na wa to bema
ba me 2
na udika because they must say me ka say to bema 2 no utuma ba na bema ba ko yale ana ouye na ba ko suni ona obey problem.
Na bono so ebia hit say obe cross.
Okay.
I say obe
Prepare.
types obe ko to for.
Okay, mata
No man mesia phone ten na man menyi phone ebie.
Okay.
We no nya trouble na we na yede.
Aye ejuma no. Nti me ko to bema na de na menhwe. Unse bema no mbo ne ye wo mu types. Ye wani a enyini fast ye nti me munchire mu de na mehu say sa bema we good for crossing.
You bet ma ka language ya problem.
Obit ma ka yi.
Jona jamia time do bon ankai do me kam to time mango fu ada chota to time do for hand and color on da do hand ada na awan da
se bema no wa se wupe na kwenu omu wo different wuti asa omu type doors se yo na kwe bi ye fra no gudale.
Okay.
Wuti asa ebi wo onu de wusika na obekira because na kwenu omu type no omu su omu price e wusuro.
Okay.
Inti gudale ni pra na kwe bia onu ni price no woto.
Okay.
Ini ai bodeji ba ko bisu wo kokobi.
Okay.
Omu su omu ana mu
nti gudale na ye abo no bo ye din wo ha.
Ni bo ye din e Ghana bia
the whole way.
the
whole world nti the whole world gudale na ne bo no e wosoro.
Wosoro.
Oh,
nti onu su no ye fine.
Okay.
Onu wu kita no a ube hu se ube nye faso no ho. Onu su de nipa de wu de be manu su onu su be nye faso.
Okay.
Nti omu nipa menu nyina ombe awu de wu hwe mbo anu be nye faso mbo awura no su be nye faso.
Okay.
Sana de nti.
Nti gudale no me de ne hu se sa abo we e gudale ana se we e bodeji ana se bibi.
Okay. Say
guys, I'm scared. I don't want to get in there. Some bonny people who are not doing it. Okay. Alright, this guy is beautiful.
anya na di yang muda kana dia enggak jangan batan dan dia
Okay. Guys, can you see? We na good darling no. Come on.
different
Fit.
liu different than it
ube ye na mpia uto mbesia fonu ponye gudale na uto gudale no kama ube unse una kebe kama because ube unse una keno uto ba we mu type na wato gudale no be mak udi kama odi ko ba 4 years ube unse una keno na omu dan gudale.
Okay.
Ube unse una kebe kama.
Now it take how many years and how many months and sana aboa wa cross it?
Aboa de onu de froni duan ni de bane se onye duane kase a otuma crossing tema no na ntwe bia cross a 10 months and 9 months ansana no nti obenye by 4 months antano ansana osa cross bio ansana o cross next year ansana bio.
Okay.
Nti na nke kitesia ube start na nke se oswa omuwu kitwa obe by 5 years ansana
wa start say so omuwu na obedi by 5 years.
5 years
ansana wa start say
obe cross.
Okay. Nti sisi ano meka moko start mbuanyane no won mentonia aya kitikiti anase mentonia aso say aba cross
ube tombwa na upese wunyano atokase de osu se obe cross ana utokase ba etise ya ebi wo udi mkwa omu wonyinsa mkwa na omu start ebi su omu nkita nyinsa kwa mkwa na omu didi aye kase ya otuma crossing de but utono nkitwa na udi code sometimes no omu de be nyinsa ya na omu wu no ube bre
ube film
ube bokasa.
Okay.
Ansana
na nduro no so today practice no nduro no sisia sen ese me yede na me wo modro ese every month and every 2 weeks and every year nduro no sen ese me dem
na nke de se omu doso a se nsoto brea na nke ye wo de yedi won by week bia ti say ye won because nsoto brain ahano be peti e be sai but won won an omu 9 nyina be ekuru.
Okay.
But dry season there who won an by 1 month ya ma enye by 2 months kan ansana won ana utuma won 1 month.
Okay.
dry season on at bodo but yan ha
nti dry season wo be won an pia motive ana mo France ai
motivate. Okay.
Would do on any kumayale.
Okay.
Onu na ye on France ai po Tylos. Ina sumbro.
Okay.
Bro ini
di way man no. Okay.
Na wudi mo ube unse ube ye juma no krampo ube unse una kesu fine.
Okay. Na nentwe no wo dware wo mo ana se dɔɔso a wuntimi yesa
na ntwe bae ube jon na ntwe gise na ntwe no ye bae baako.
Okay.
Na ntwe ekoburu bae tena wuntimi njo.
Okay.
Because u kase ube jo mu de gise bebe omu dan so gise wo ye wo.
Okay. Na we ase on hygiene
onu ornament.
Na me so no mo anya hwe
awo de ube so no say onnimu nti yo be gidi
sa
nti mini no ye wo ha tambia no onim.
Okay. So as mo aye say nkrame ana say bibisa
it say wu on karman wu fia say aw no man eduane tambia wu fra na obeba wu nche na wada but onnimu a wu hunu bia say obejuan.
I see. As viewers, as you already know, here we talk about farming, and today it's very important to visit other farmers. To be honest, so a farm and a business idea be a ya. As the visit, I wanna win a jumanum, and I wanna we didn't can why you be that. We learn from their mistakes, and that's how we grow. So that's it. Today, inshallah, I will learn a lot from these guys. As you already know, the these people, they know how to deal with animals more than us. Our brothers, more like the Fulani, our brothers, they know how to deal with animals. And see, best and I was start say, "Wo follow boy."
We mu ana na ntwe
juma no like na ntwe juma no.
Tam na misua na ntwe juma. Na ntwe juma de me de bituma ka say na ntwe juma de ye juma dada. Okay. Because omu women na me so me say omu ye bi. Okay. Me tu bia na omu ye bi ye fi na me so visitatia na me di.
Nti we nimpa ba ko no ono mo kɔ didi ana say mo dɔso.
Say na ntwe dɔso say de onu spende ne wura.
Okay.
Say wutuma to ba nipa 5 mpo a. Omu nyina atuma 2 akɔ ende ana 2 so akɔ chi. But we must an on to me spend sa de gise nipa ba akɔ but no so gise pay no koso. Okay.
Am fan say ebi wo ho a opese o ye mbo ni bi ba o wesika no bo nim sene a obeye o say o ye den o wesika ebi wo wa abrochire opese o ye farming like cattle mbo we say. What's the process? DNA so ye
say opese o ye mbo anu de opese o ye mbo anu de won say onu o sika opese o ye mbo anu say on fama de pakro de onu mbo ade omu ye on koto mbo anu bran. First obedi kan aye garche. Okay. Bu bebe omudi na ntwe ne begu. Okay. Na wa sansi dan. Okay. Bebe a de obahwe mbo anu. Bebe obeda. Okay. Asa na okoto mbo anu so a odiba. Okay. Nti okoto mbo anu bae na no na sata no nyina na wa anye nipa de obeye djuma na ama. Okay. Odiba na no wa start djuma. Okay. But na ntwe wuntimi nkoto na ntwe asa na wo hwehwe djuma. Okay.
Okay, so guys, what he is saying there, like say prayer mbo djuma no. First, is there tall land? Nesi structure baby mbo no bada. Na area asansu si baby a nipa ko na obahwe mbo no obada. Atmasa. So eye da me djuma nyina wi na ansa na ato mbo na ba. Eto mbo no ba. Then you start paying the person. He once there, I want to engo so abom enka yeshi. So if you have the money and you don't know where to invest your money into, I'm telling you, I'm giving you advice. Try and do something like this. Whether you're a teacher, you're a nurse, wherever. Baby, I always kakra. In your baby kakra and sana. It's you done, it's in a dana man. Then you start doing this thing. It's a big business that we can all go into. Into land no, obokono person to land on to land be saying. So to 1 acre, 1 plot, half plot, quarter plot.
Say one, say ni na no ombe paid by the yedi we mu apay no den. Ma to land by 2 acres. Okay. Na wa sini bo, na wa sini dan. Okay. Because e bon wutuma sini say ya, na esaya wutuma sisa bia ko be fufo. Okay. But wuto 1 plot wusi e bo onu untimi sisa e bo no den. Una no so sometimes bia wutuma yale. Okay. No ko ichire. Untimi koni. Because we land in the door so they buy 2 acres. Utuma una tubom say asaya na was sisa fufura na wodi. You say bo no mu ye ni 2. Okay. Ba ko so no way kire. Okay. Hanu saya no mu yibia koko. Hanu so saya na hanu aye ye no dia.
Okay. So he is saying that you have to get like 1 acre or 2 acres. And then Wombono all of those na ye garkini ebien. Garkini ebien during some time garkini mutim say cause one talent na wakono no mutim say garkini mu then you change. If you change that way then you bring the others to this place. By the time I hano so be there all say no na hano so why fine. Okay, I see. Okay baba, yamin shiro me da se bebre say wona me a sia sa de way. And I'm Yambra Adams, Yamishrom. Me here be bia, my baba catch rom, and I may be some. But I have one thing first. Why there